Determine the limit as x approaches positive infinity of tangent of 1 over x times sine of x. For the limit as x approaches positive infinity of the tangent of 1 over x times the sine of x, the first thing to do is plug a positive infinity in for each of the x's. This will give the tangent of each term that is a constant divided by x to a positive power will go to 0 as x approaches positive infinity, so it'll be the tangent of 0 times the sine of positive infinity. The tangent of 0 is 0. The sine of positive infinity is indeterminate due to oscillation, but it will remain finite somewhere between -1 and +1, and since it's being multiplied by 0 here, the limit should exist and can be found using the squeeze theorem. Starting with the function that is indeterminate as x approaches positive infinity, the sine of x, it is going to sit somewhere between -1 and +1. The function we want to find the limit for is the tangent of 1 over x times the sine of x, so we will now multiply each of these by the tangent of 1 over x. -1 times the tangent of 1 over x gives negative tangent of 1 over x. And then tangent of 1 over x times the sine of x, and a +1 times the tangent of 1 over x. And this inequality still holds true. We can now take the limit as x approaches positive infinity of each of these. And the inequality will still hold true. This will give the middle limit being the one that we want to determine. And it can be determined by working out the outer two limits. Starting with the leftmost limit, the first thing to do is plug a positive infinity in for each of the x's. Each term that is a constant divided by x to the positive power will go to 0 as x approaches positive infinity. So this will give a negative tangent of 0. The middle limit we'll leave as is, since it's indeterminate due to the sign of positive infinity. The rightmost limit, we'll plug a positive infinity in for each of the x's. Each term that is a constant divided by x to a positive power will go to 0 as x approaches positive infinity, so this will give the positive tangent of 0. The tangent of 0 is 0. The negative of 0 is 0, so this leftmost limit is 0. The middle limit we will leave as is. And the tangent of 0 is 0. So the middle limit is being squeezed between 0 and 0, and therefore the middle limit as x approaches positive infinity of tangent of 1 over x times the sine of x will equal 0 due to the squeeze theorem. And we have determined the limit is given.